How to rotate a TikTok video. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate a TikTok video, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into TikTok on my phone. After I'm on the TikTok app, I will need to click where it says post. And then I'm going to click here and select the video that I want to post to TikTok. As you can see, I get this rotate option right here, and that is exactly where I need to click to rotate this video. You can see that I can rotate it a full 360 degrees if I want. If you don't have the rotate symbol on your TikTok app, then it's probably because the video that you have is not filmed horizontally. You will need to film your video horizontally, and after that you will get the rotate option on TikTok. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.